Open the center console. Use a pry bar to pry open the center console cover. Pull out the original cigarette lighter. Use the cigarette lighter from the accessory pack and connect the adapter to power. Pry open the cover on the driver's side. Pass the power cord through the center console. The harness follows the side cover, main driver's fuse cover, and side pillar. Pull the sealant. Insert the lead wire into the car. Use electrical tape to bind the lead wire to the power cord. Pull the power cord into the car. Hide the power cord in the trim panel. Unlock the trunk and lay down the rear seats. The rear seat motor is behind. Put the sunshade into the car. Raise the rear seat to support the sunshade curtain. Plug the connected power cord and connect the power cord of the sunshade to power. Tie the excess wires to the rear hardware to prevent abnormal noise. Lift the rear roll. Insert the two brackets into the trim panel. Lower the two sunshades. Lift the head of the sunshade. Use long brackets on the left, right, and middle. Screw in the screws to fix it. Make sure the fixing holes are at the top. This screw should be pushed to the highest position. Stick a cloth strip on the head hardware to beautify.